are doing a Michaels grab bag. I don't know if you've ever heard of these. Michaels puts together all of their items, usually from a previous holiday, and they put it all in a box, and they are $4 a piece. I usually miss it, but I have a friend of mine that goes to the Michaels all the time, and she sent me a quick message and said, hey, I know you wanted to check these out. They had quite a few boxes when she texted me, and when I got there, I think there were like 10 left. And I took 3. So I have 3 different boxes, and we're going to see what's inside together. So this one, I chose boxes that were a little bit heavier because I thought there would be some good stuff in here. And I guess they said that a lot of it is St. Patrick's Day. So let's see. Oh, wow. Yep. I picked a heavy box. And the whole box is St. Patrick's Day signs, so we can make some signs with these, and that's what the whole box is. The whole box. So let's see how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of these chalkboard shamrocks for $4. So that wasn't bad. Then I was leaving and he said, since you bought 3 boxes, go ahead and take this sign. So this sign was included for free. The only thing I noticed was the W, but I could just take a saw and cut off the top portion straight across, and it will start with Bless This Home, so the sign would not go to waste, and it has the hanger on the back. So that is another thing I got. Then I picked this one because the longer boxes normally, see here's the clearance tag, normally have floral in them. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a lot of St. Patrick's Day. Lots and lots. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. This is all St. Patrick's Day. So there's a real pretty wreath in here. So here's a wreath that's in here. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh, look at that Irish pub, and it's got a little spout, but the spout doesn't turn. But you could use this for flowers. How pretty is that? That's cute. It was normally $20. Then there are 2 of these in here, cold beer served here. So it's supposed to be St. Patrick's Day, I guess, but these were normally $14 a piece, so I have 2 of those. Here is another St. Patrick's Day. It's a grapevine wreath. They X'd out the price on it, so I can't tell, but we could spruce it up and put some spring flowers in here, so this is really cute too. And there are 2 of these in here. This would be cute to drill some holes. And it just says beer served here. So I have 2 of these in this big, oh, 3 of these. I have 3 of these in here. Wow, that's cool. Because technically, if you wanted to, you could change this out, the little shamrocks, but the shamrocks are kind of cute. So there was 3 of these, and these were $35 a piece originally. So I have 3 of these. 2 of these cold beer served here, and 2 wreaths for $4. So that was pretty good too. Oh, and this. This was in there too. So that was a really good box for $4. So I think they'll have it again with Easter. And I have 1 box left. So let's see what's in my last box. And again, I picked a heavy one. So let's see if I have more of those signs in here. So I thought, oh, this has got a bunch of little stuff in it. I can see it already. Oh, yep, there's more in here, more of these signs. So let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are normally $12 a piece, so I can make some money on these and resell them. Then there are these in here. And I have socks. So this was a $4 box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 pairs of socks. This cute hat that you could put flowers in. Look how cute that is. So I got 7 pairs of socks. This little top hat. Another one of these. Another one of these spouts. So I can do something with this. I can do something really cute with this. This can come off of here. So I think I'll do something for summer. There is a nutcracker in here, but he's missing an arm. So maybe we can think of doing something with him, or I can just go and buy another piece of wood and match it up and put it on here. So he was in here. Here is another headband. Ooh, another pair of socks. So there was 8 pairs of socks in here. These stickers. Oh, look at this. How cute is this? Bless this Irish home. How cute is that? This was a good box. Here is another one that is just a shamrock. This would be cute to put something here like Irish love or something. We can do a little vinyl on there. Then there's this one, Happy St. Patrick's Day. This one, Happy St. Patrick's Day. More socks. I think I got the box with all the socks. So that's 10 pairs of socks. This was a really good box. And last but not least, oh, it's a skirt, like a tulle skirt. Tulle. This doesn't have a price on it, but here's a little cute skirt. Does it have, let's see. Yeah, it's like shorts, I think. So it's got a liner in it. And another hat. This one's cute. You can use this one on a wreath too. So this one. So this was a really good box. It came with that skirt. It came with 2 of these. 10 pairs of socks. 10 pairs of socks. And it came with all of these. Really, really cute. So I had to check this out and see what was in here. So I'm going to have to keep in touch with my friend and ask her when the Easter one comes out. So that was really fun. And there was a lot of fun stuff in this one. Lots of stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, I went to the one in Orland on LaGrange Road. And when I left, there was only about 6 boxes left. So you might want to check a different Michael's store. But that was my first time doing this, and we got some pretty cool stuff. So until I see you guys on the next one, but I wanted to also share some of the things that they have that are on sale that I thought was a really great price. So stick around and check out the photos I took while I was in the store, and I will see you all soon. Bye now.